Bonsoir, children, and welcome to the Night's Tale. My children, yesterday me did something for the lonely ones, and well, I felt like keeping with that theme. So, the Night's Tale is about a young man who finds a very beautiful woman in a photograph holding up two fingers. He searches desperately to find this girl, but what he does find is something far more sinister than he could ever imagine. The story is entitled The Girl in the Photograph. Give the story a listen and tell me what you think. And until then, remember children, the bones don't lie.